up, Curlies? Welcome to my channel, Curly Tales. I'm Talise, and today I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair using the Nature's Little Secret Milk Strengthening Deep Conditioner. It's made with coconut and goat milk. So the package says, coconut milk and goat milk are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals that are useful for keeping your body healthy as well as your hair. These milks are full of protein that help repair dry, damaged hair. They also help prevent protein loss. These milks help to prevent dryness and promote a healthy scalp. Our handmade milk strengthening deep conditioner will strengthen, soften, and help repair your damaged hair. And the directions say, apply to freshly cleansed hair and detangle with a wide tooth comb or fingers. Leave on and sit under dryer or steamer for 20 to 25 minutes. After applying heat or steam, let hair cool and rinse with cool water. Next, use Nature's Little Secret leave-in conditioner. Before we get started with this video, I'd just like to say welcome back to all my subscribers. And if you are new to my channel, I'd just like to say welcome and make sure you hit that subscribe button right below this video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Okay, let's get started. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but my hair is looking crazy defined and there is absolutely no product in it. I can't. I use the Nature's Little Secret Cucumber Nourishing Shampoo, and I'm a believer now. I am obsessed with the shampoo after only one use. It has my curls going crazy. My hair feels soft, moisturized. I was able to detangle my hair with this shampoo. It's got slip. It lathers amazingly. Like, I cannot recommend this shampoo enough. Definitely maybe an 11 out of 10 in my book. Okay, so first I'm just going to section my hair into 4 sections. First I'm going to spray my hair with some warm water. The conditioner looks like this. It looks very creamy. And it kind of smells like milk, sort of. Like a milky kind of smell.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I wouldn't say I love it, but it's not terrible. So I'm going to start with about this much. I feel like it's been a while since I've used a protein deep conditioner, so that's why I chose to use this deep conditioner today. I feel like I'm usually going for moisture, but you definitely need to balance that with protein. So this deep conditioner has slip. It feels great on my hair. I'm detangling very easily. This is what my hair is looking like once I finished adding the deep conditioner to my section. When I tell you guys, it feels amazing. So now I'm going to go in with my wet brush and fully detangle and distribute the product.
Bang, 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 bang. Ready? Start. Bang! 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 Hey!
Okay, now I'm just going to twist this section up and move on to the next one. And now I'm going to speed this video up and I'll see you guys when I'm done adding the deep conditioner and detangling my hair. Okay, so my thoughts on this deep conditioner so far are that it is amazing. Nature's Little Secret is not disappointing me at all so far. I am about to steam my hair with my Q-Redo. I'm going to do that off camera because I have a tutorial showing how I use the Q-Redo, and I have used the Q-Redo in a ton of my other deep conditioner videos. So if you want to know more about it, be sure that you check those out. So I'm just going to steam my hair really quickly, and then I'm going to rinse this deep conditioner out, and then I'll be back to show you guys my results. Okay, I just rinsed out the deep conditioner, and this is what my hair is looking like.
That is not correct.
Okay, I am loving these results. When I tell you my hair just feels stronger right now, I am not lying. Like, it feels so good. There's still a ton of definition, and it's really soft, and it feels moisturized. It feels incredible. I'm probably going to start using this deep conditioner maybe once a month, once every month and a half, just to kind of give me a little bit of protein every now and then. I loved it. I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. Easy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.